Hi everyone, in this video we're going to give a light introduction to Node.js, and I say light because, well, let's first just talk about what Node.js is. So Node.js is some very cool software that was written a good little while ago, I think probably at least 10 to 15 years, and it was revolutionary because it allowed JavaScript to be run on the server side, meaning that you no longer had to learn a whole nother language to write code for backend servers. You could use JavaScript along the way. So that piece was pretty cool, but we're not in a server-side class, we're in a client-side class. So what does Node have to do with that? Well, as Node evolved, it it became more and more robust and developed interesting features that front-end JavaScript developers were a little jealous of. Things like being able to import stuff that wasn't a native JavaScript feature until 2015, but Node had its own system called CommonJS, and that was brought in the front end. But the real game changer, I think, is NPM JS. So NPM is called, it doesn't actually, it's not really an acronym, but that's what they say. It's Node Package Manager, and it allows you to manage dependencies in a file and keep control of the versions. And while our software for this class won't get super complex, probably for the advanced class, it would be very difficult to start working on stuff without having NPM under the hood. So it's something that I want to show you as an introduction to, and we'll use it for the rest of class to get familiar with it, but would you necessarily need it? No. So those are the technologies that I wanted to talk about. So to use this stuff, like I said, Node is a server-side thing, so it actually runs little server-side code on your computer. It executes. So you have to actually install it. So there I ran the node command, and I get the node CLI. We won't be using the CLI, but I just want to show you that. Luckily, it's super easy to install Node. I popped in and it's showing the download for Mac OS because it knows what computer I'm running. But if you go to nodejs.org, you will get a place to just download it and run it. I would do the left side, the 18.15 long-term support. We'll talk about what versioning means, but essentially that's the one that's, like it says, it's recommended for most users. So it means it's more stable and whatnot. But you'll run a little installation, and that will get you basically all you need. And you can see here, it gives you Node, and it also gives you NPM. So run through that, and then I'll see you in the next video.